Alright, so right now we're trying to play an all-nighter, but LG kind of fell asleep. So I did write Sharpie on his left foot thing. Yeah, so and then also some like finish it and draw more. So I'm gonna let him sleep for a little. And yeah, script it. We can do it right now. Oh, he looks like he's out, so that's a good thing. Sharpie. Yeah. I'm gonna get that.
Stand by. Going explosive. Get MSG.
It's hard on the left. Stare at the TV with my eyes closed. No, I don't want to wait.
I've got you. Countermeasures up. I've got you.
I'm sorry, Luke. You look hot.
I'm not asleep.
Alright.
I'm sorry, Luke. You look hot. Yeah, with my permanent Sharpie in my hand and my headlamp. Yeah. That's funny. You're annoying.
Me?
No, this stupid game. I can't see them. Oh, the dumb game.
No. Can you hold this, Luke?
No, get away. No, get away. I'm trying to watch this game. I want to watch Addy Quickscope. Get away. No, don't put it in my butt.
I'm not gonna put it in here.
They kind of got comfortable. Just bugging me. You would be messed up.
Yeah, right.
Going explosive. Get MSG.
No. Oh, it's because I couldn't see.